My nephew on the mic. Watch him get hype. Go ahead, Kheem. Kheem Smith. You gotta get over here. Talk up. You got some.
Yo, it goes one to the seven, two to the four. King cat goes, don't be running in the storm. Ball boy, knee guard, don't be moving ball back. Lay back, baby, man, you tryna hear that? Girls come with king cat, beauty. Looking at, I was laying on that booty. Oh, it goes next to the shot boy. Don't you know, people get the rap on. Oh, all day, one way. Let me fall back on a four-way style. Looking at me, cause I'm out there. Don't you know, I ain't seen no teddy's bed. One minute, money, we get right now. Don't you know, I hit it right now. Need cameras, need dollars. Come on, man, I'm the Myers.
All right, that was Kheem on the mic. Now, Joey, what you gotta say about that?
Yo, on the mic, come on, yo.
Give me something, Joey.
Yo, you know me.
I'm busting on the mic like never before. I'm gonna let you know that the sisters adore. My name is Estella Banks on the microphone. I'm representing this town of York, PA. I'm letting you know my song is fresh. I'm letting you know that I passed my test. I'm keeping it real. All y'all niggas know the deal. Step your game up with a much higher power. My name is Estella on the microphone check. All you niggas know that I did my best. What I'm just saying to you, my friend, don't play around, don't hesitate. Pick up the phone and call and check.
Looking at me, cause I grew that neck. One in the morning, holla to the street, looking no color man, gotta get a collar green. Yo, we making it hard, looking at me, yo, cause you know I go hard. Spitting these bars all in your face. Now back up, cause she gets straight with me.
I got one for you now, Kheem. Are you ready to rap with this? Cross colors, brighten up the streets again. I got a funky dope rhyme, so let me begin. I got the baddest little theme that was ever around. Should I reminisce or should I just break it down? Alright, I got one for you, Kheem. Don't leave me now, don't be too bad.
I gotta go make run, man. I'll be if I